On page 1. How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
How about angles?
3.
Okay. When we look at this triangle right here, okay, when we talk about the sides of a triangle, it will require us to use 2 letters. So we have sides XY, YZ, and XZ. I would highly encourage you to not work ahead of where I am. I know it's tempting. Okay? We have 3 angles, and we're going to use only 1 letter to name angles. And that little symbol I have in front of each letter, that's not a wacky L, it's an angle sign. It is pretty awesome. Yeah. Okay. Now, what do you know about the 3 angles of a triangle?
They equal 180.
Okay, the triangle sum theorem tells us that the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. And that's what our focus is going to be first.
What is that last word?
Theorem.
What does that mean?
It is a rule that we can prove in math.
There's rules in that. Are you serious?
Yeah. There's lots of rules in math. Okay. So, we'll start simple, like number 1. We know that the 3 angles of a triangle should add up to equal 180 degrees. So this is what we would set up, right? Okay, what is 79 plus 82?
160.
So it's what?
119.
I'll let you try that again.
19.
Not 119. Okay. Now, in number 3, what does this mean? Okay, the box always means 90 degrees. So this is x plus 90 plus 53 equals 180. Okay, so what's the answer? I'm hearing argument. 37. It was not Truman. Yeah. So since it says x degrees, I don't need the degree symbol. Okay? Okay. Now, let me show you something that's true about number 7. Who else is 48 degrees? Yeah.
The 2 is 48.
Yeah.
What?
Why?
Just in case it comes up.
Wait, how is that 48?
Oh my goodness.
What's going on this semester? How is that 48?
That's what I like.
Since they're like vertical from each other, they're both going to be the same.
We did that, Miss Stoneville.
Yeah.
Adjacent and vertical.
So those are words we're going to talk about again on Friday. Okay? All right. So absolutely not. Okay, let's talk about number 8. In number 8.
I'm not gonna solve it. I'm not complaining. I'm just okay. All right.
Okay. In number 8. This is no different than number 1. 3 angles of a triangle still add up to be 180. But instead we have 4x minus 5 and 5x plus 1 and 14x. Those 3 angles need to add up to be 180 degrees. And now we have a fun little equation to solve. You know what? That sounds like a great idea. Let's combine like terms.
3x.
23x minus 4 equals 180. So 23x equals 184. Okay. While you're punching this into your calculator, please understand that next door, excuse me, I am talking. Next door, there is some construction happening. At times, it will be loud. We're just going to have to be flexible. It'll only last a couple weeks. Okay, what's X? Okay. Did you call him Ethan Watkins?
I said walking.
Oh, that's better. Yeah. All right. This is what I want you to do. Turn to page 2. On page 2, I want you to look at number 9. Could you please solve for X and then stop? On number 9, please solve for X and then stop.
Miss Holman, how was your winter break?
It was wonderful. How was yours?
Good.
I got a lot of sleep.
We all heard that. We all heard that, right?
Yeah, I heard that.
I heard that too.
Pretty loud and clear.
No.
Solve for X and stop.
See, like this already done.
I saw a couple humans getting 11.
I got 9.
I got 11.
I got 11.
I got 11.
Oh, I got 9.
Am I wrong?
I'm not done yet.
I can write 11, 9, I think I got 9.
It's 9?
It's
11. It's 11.
Ainsley, do you have 18x minus 18 equals 180?
I do have that.
Obviously.
Wait, I got 10. Oh, that's an 8.
Okay, so when we combine like terms, you should have gotten 18x minus 18. So 18x equals 198. So x equals 11. Now, what if I want, though, the measure of angle A?
4.
And you just solve for
So it's 6. So it's
11 minus 7 is 4.
How about 6 times x?
59.
Okay, so A is 6x minus 7. So this would be 6 times 11 minus 7.
66. 54. 59.
We'll get there. Okay. Okay, angle B. I hear a lot more talking than I would like. Angle B is 3x plus 4. If x is 11, then we have 33 plus 4.
37.
Here's where we do need our degree symbols here. Okay, and then angle C, its measure is calculated using 9x minus 15. So if we take 9 times 11 minus 15, okay. Do those 3 add to 180? Oh, good.
I think so.
That's
I
good.
haven't added it. I did. They do.
Thanks, Lena. All right. No. I also need you to be able to classify triangles based on their sides and angles. Okay? So let's talk about angles. Raise your hand if you can tell me what an acute angle is. Evan.
Less than
Less than 90. So if all of your angles are less than 90, then we have an acute triangle.
That's my joke.
Okay? An obtuse angle would then be an angle more than 90. So if we have an obtuse angle,
That's not obtuse, is it?
this guy,
I thought it had to be all.
yep, suck that thought back in.
Wait. One. Oh, it's one more than 90?
One angle is more than 90. Because if I have two angles more than 90, I cannot make a triangle. Okay, if I have one angle that's more than 90, we have an obtuse triangle. And then if I have one angle that is 90 degrees exactly, we have a right triangle. Okay? So any triangle can be classified in one of these 3 categories. Look at the angles. Do we have an acute, obtuse, or right triangle?
Where?
When we get there. Okay? Now, we can also classify our triangle by its sides. Okay. If we have, I'm going to start in the middle. If we have 2 congruent sides, what do we call this? How do you not?
How do you know?
Alright, buddy.
You guys really don't know isosceles? Yeah.
I forgot. I remember.
Okay,
grade teacher was cool.
I just know equal lines.
that is not true.
That is very true. Miss Sullivan, fifth grade teacher was Bro, she was horrible.
My brother. Yeah.
All right, here we go. What if all the sides are congruent?
That's equilateral.
The opposite of that is
Okay.
That's scaling.
Okay, the triangle where all the sides are different, that is called scaling.
You're lying.
I'm not lying. Literally.
In second grade.
Lying.
So much.
You're lying.
That's crazy.
I'm just like so good at remembering.
What school did you go to?
I went to Livingston West.
My 6th grade teacher was a legend.
My 6th grade teacher sucks.
Andy Springer.
Okay. Yeah, and she's awesome. All right, this is what I want you to do. I would like you and your new elbow partner to look at 10 through 15. And what you're going to do, you're going to give it 2 classifications. For example, could you listen to me before you start? Number 10, I have 2 sides that are congruent. So it's isosceles. And I have an angle that's right. So it's a right isosceles triangle. 2 classifications. Go.
Wait.
I think that's a right isosceles.
Ryan, what about this
This is obtuse scaling.
The hypotenuse is the base and the A squared plus B squared equals C squared. The hypotenuse is longer. The hypotenuse is a right of the base.
I didn't know you were right guys trying to use it. They're like, oh.
All right. Make five. Make five.
Wait, I can't see your thumb.
It's pretty basic. It should be 6 now.
That was never. Okay.
Oh, such an airball green.
Liliana, what's number 11's classifications?
Acute equilateral.
Does anybody disagree? Okay. Number 12. Gracie, what do you think?
Obtuse scaling.
Obtuse scaling. Anybody disagree? Okay. Autumn, number 13.
Acute isosceles.
Anybody disagree? You do? Disagree?
I'm gonna make acute isosceles. Oh, I thought it was like.
Okay. Jonah, number 14.
Obtuse isosceles.
How'd you get obtuse?
Because of the big 9.
Yeah, the one that goes like this.
The big wide one.
What is its measure?
Bigger than 90.
How do you know?
Well,
62.
because 31 plus 31 does not equal
120, 118.
Thank you.
31 plus 31.
equals 62. So then 62
Okay.
minus
So it's 100. It's 100
is not 90. Bigger than 90.
Okay, thank you. All right. And then Tierney, what about 15? Ooh. Okay. All right, so we're going to finish off with...
Grady said he disagrees.
Oh. Why do you disagree? Yeah.
Well, no.
What are you chewing on?
Wait, what?
What are you chewing on?
Mid.
Okay. Do you disagree with 15?
No.
Okay. So let's look at number 16. If I want to classify triangle JKL by its angles, what am I going to have to do?
Solve it.
So for what? Well, the first thing we do is we better solve for x. And Truman, how are we going to do that?
You gotta like make your own triangle.
You know what? I don't even think we would need to draw it.
You just have to add all the things together.
Okay, the measure of angle J plus the measure of angle K plus the measure of angle L, why am I hearing people talking while I am, should equal 180. So we took these three angles of the triangle. They add up to 180. I'm going to give you a moment to solve that for me here. Bennett, your face looks like you have a question.
No, I'm just copying that down.
Okay. Say what louder?
I was saying that I got one of the things wrong. I want to say that louder. So like I feel embarrassed.
X equals 7? Okay. So, X equals 7. If you are in the blue or red table, I would like you to find the measure of angle J. If you are in the purple or yellow table, can you find the measure of angle K? If you are in the teal or the green table, could you find the measure of angle L? Ready, set, go. Yeah. All right. Eyes on me. Ryan.
Yes.
What's the measure of angle K?
90.
Ethan, do you agree?
Yeah.
All right. Ray, what's the measure of angle L? 58. Madison, do you agree? Excellent. McKenna, what's the measure of angle J? 32. Grady, do you agree?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, so what kind of triangle do we got here? We have a right triangle because we have a right angle. Ah.